Good evening, or morning, or afternoon, my friends on the internet. This is Adam from Jim's IT Penrith once again for another video. I know I haven't been very regular in my videos, so I do apologise, and I'm not putting you through seeing my face tonight, so that should be a good thing. So guys, okay, we're going to talk about AI and a few little things that I found. I've been playing with AI, ChatGPT, and that sort of thing for a long time. I use ChatGPT on a regular basis. I use it for work. I use it to create video ideas. The best thing I like about GPT is that used properly, it can be a very good assistant for your day-to-day work. I'm dyslexic, so I'll write an email or write a message or write something for a client, and I'll bring it straight into ChatGPT and I'll ask it to rewrite it in a professional manner and letting it know that I've got a learning disability, and it will do that for me. So it's really good for that. And for example, I'll show you one quick example. I run and own a IT business in Western Sydney called Jim's IT. Would like to increase my and impact in the... Now this isn't probably one of the best inputs or prompts that we can use, but even doing a prompt like that will come in here and it will spit out some type of marketing plan, and within a few clicks it's giving you that type of information, which is pretty cool. So basically I've just asked it to, I've told it that it's great what it's done. I'd like it to cater it for the two particular areas. So the more information that you give ChatGPT, the better output you're going to get. So if I would have told it the timeline I want to make this information from, the budget that I've got and all that type of thing, it could cater it a lot better. And I've told it that I want to do it towards small to home and medium businesses, and it's going to spit out all that information. And after that, it's going to give me a link to download. There it is. There's my marketing plan for small business and my marketing plan from people working from home. And you can do a lot more. Like the add-ons that ChatGPT comes with now is extensive. You can get diagrams, you can do research, you can create a landing page, SQL, image generators, you can write a book. It connects with Canva, which is fantastic. So Canva can create your logo. So we can jump in there. We can come into the Canva and say, okay, I need a poster for our online store's seasonal sale. Okay, or make a post with a breathtaking sunset. So we're going to sort of work with that post there. Make a, for my IT company called Jim's Financial, the start of the new financial year. And let's see what it does. So at this situation, it's going to connect to Canva. It's talking to Canva. Okay. There, look at that. I mean, within a couple of clicks, it's actually given us two options. Welcome to the new financial year with Jim's IT Penrith. And we've got innovate, transfer, success with Jim's IT Penrith. I mean, that's pretty cool. I didn't give it much information, but let's go with this one. And there we go. That's created that with just IT, with just AI. Now, the second tool I want to show you, which is absolutely incredible. It's one of the best AI tools that I have seen in a long time. It's called Claude, and that is CLAUDE.ai. It's been around for a while, but it is absolutely incredible. Okay, for example here, just say you have an idea, right? You know, have an idea for a website, you have an idea for something that you want to create, software, website, whatever. Okay, so in this example, my father owns a courier business, and he's been on at me for a very long time to create a website for him, and I've been quite lazy. So I want to say, I have a new website I need to create. It is a courier website based in North West Coast being owned by the same family since 1993. That's alright, well, don't worry about the spelling, it'll work that out itself. I would like the site to be modern and using advanced CSS and boot and boot and friendly colors for all information to be on the same page. Let's see what Claude does for me here. So I've given it a bunch of instructions that I can barely read myself because I can't spell, but it's going to spit out the code. The fact that it's doing the code like this is incredible. I mean, it's spitting out a bunch of code with 4 lines of written information. And you just wait, here we go. This is my absolutely favourite part. I mean, I haven't given it the name of the business, which is fine, but it's come in here and given me a demo of what this website will look like. Get a quote, our services, local delivery, interstate shipping, but we don't offer services, and the business is called SEC COURI SEC Couriers. So I've asked it to change a few things. It's not going to put images in there for you. So when we download this, we need to customize the images and things like that. It's going to come in there and write a few things in there. It's actually got in the information, I'll show you this in a moment. SEC Couriers, that's not Dad's logo, but that's fine. The Northwest Coast of Tasmania, trusted since then, get a quote, local delivery, express service, business solutions. Right, that's awesome. And it's come in there for the last 30 years, our deep knowledge of the region. It's got a contact page, and it's very basic, but that's come in there and with a handful of information created you a website. I mean, it's absolutely incredible what it can do. This is awesome. This is what I want to use. Okay, so just say we're ready to download. We simply come down here, we hit download file, and it's all ready to go. Over here on the left hand side, it's giving you a description of what it's done. It's updated the business name, it's removed the interstate shipping, added business solutions, adjust some colors. Okay, just so we don't like the colors, okay? I always like to thank AI. You don't know when it's gonna maybe turn on us. So, thank you for this. I love it. But I don't like the colors. And I need more animations. I can't spell, we already established that. And if I had a logo, I could actually put the logo in there and it would add it on there as well. And yellow. So we'll just put it in there. Okay, let's change it. So it's going to go in there again, rewrite the code for us. And what you're seeing there is what's called CSS. So it's actually going out on the site, writing what you need. Now, I've written websites from scratch in the past. To do what it's doing there, it would take you a good couple of hours to go out, research, do your layouts, do things like that. I mean, this is basically going to be a usable website. There'll probably be a handful of things I'd need to change. Like it's used dark blue, let's change that. I'd add the logo up there. Where it says get a quote, I'd need to put a link behind that, but that'd be about it. Put some images in there, and Bob's your uncle, and that you've done it. So, okay, again, it's explained what it's done. Can you add some stock images so I can see what it looks like? But guys, look, it's absolutely incredible what AI can do, and what I've just shown you then is the tip of the iceberg of what this program, these 2 websites alone can do. If you want any more information or anything else that you've seen on here, please let me know, and I'm happy to guide you through how to use these sites. To my knowledge, I could be missing out on so much that this thing can do. But yeah, I'm happy to guide you with what I know. I'd love you to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.